If you watch one ad, you will get 30 cents. Watching second ad, you will earn 54 cents. Watch third ad will get you 62 cents, and so on and so forth. And using the trick shown in this video, you can make $2.49 every minute watching Google ads. And this works in every country: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, India, Philippines, and all countries around the world. And in the end of this video, I will show you a bonus trick that will help you to earn $700 a day in pure passive income using this new website. So step number 1 is to come over to this website where you can earn money by watching ads on Google from brands you care about. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but before that, I want to show you how this website works. So, you watch brand ads on this website, which are actually the ads on Google websites. If you refer someone to this website, you can earn $5 per sign up whenever someone joins the site using your link. And once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you can transfer the money to your PayPal account and many other withdrawal options available here. Hundreds of brands, including these ones featured here, have partnered up with this website so that they can offer you new Google website ads each and every day. You can read more about this website if you want to by clicking on About Us option on the bottom of the site. Otherwise, to get started with this website, just click on where it says Sign Up Now. Then all you have to do is enter your full name, your email address, your password, and your date of birth. One most important thing is, always remember your server number, which in my case is server 1, because when you log in again to your account, it will ask for your server name. Next, make sure you tick this box and then click on Sign Up. Once you sign up, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I have received $10 as a sign-up bonus to my account. Now let me show you how we can earn even more money to our account. So if you scroll down a little bit on your dashboard, you can see there are 5 ads which we can watch. Starting with the first ad, we will get 54 cents for watching a Google website ad. So let us open this ad by clicking on this complete button under this ad. And immediately, we will be taken to another tab, but we are simply going to close it and click on this first ad complete button again. It will show you, please don't close this page, recording your visit. And then we will be taken to the website on Google search engine, where we will be shown an ad like this. And on the top right corner, you can see the countdown of 35 seconds running. So, we don't have to stay here forever, we will just wait here for 35 seconds to complete. But make sure, while you are waiting for the 35 seconds to hit 0, you scroll up and down throughout the Google website ad shown to you. And, as soon as the countdown hits 0, you will be shown this skip button on top right corner. Just click it and you will be taken back to our dashboard, where you can see that we have been already credited with 57 cents to our account. And now, our account balance has become $10.57. Now, I want you to repeat the process for all 4 other ads showing on your screen right now. So just click on the second ad, which will earn you 62 cents. Just click on this complete button. And once again, we will be taken to another tab, which we are simply going to close. Come back to your dashboard and again, click on this complete button. It will show you, please don't close this page, recording your visit. And then again, we will be taken to the website on Google search engine, where we will be shown an ad like this. So just wait for 35 seconds to complete. Then just click on skip button on top right corner and we will come back to our dashboard again, where you can see that we have been credited with another 62 cents and now our account balance is $11.19. However, one thing you must have noticed is that now you have left with only 3 more ads to watch, which means that you can only watch 5 videos in every 24-hour period. So, if you try to find the first ad we watch, you cannot find that ad, because now that ad will be available to watch after 24 hours. But do not worry, I will show you how you can still make $2.49 every minute again and again. But before that, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below your country name from where you are watching this video right now so that I can make more videos for you and others watching from your country. So step number 2 is, for making $2.49 again and again with these 5 ads only, all you have to do is create several accounts on this website. For example, you can create 5 to 10 accounts. One account will earn you 57 cents, plus 62 cents, plus 30 cents, plus 46 cents, plus 54 cents. And this will give us a total of $2.49 in less than a minute. So, if you have 10 accounts, you will earn a total of $24.90 within a few minutes, easily and effortlessly. Don't worry if you do not have a lot of email addresses, because here is a bonus tip just for you to create multiple accounts. Let me show you something real quick, but first, let me log out of my account, and we can start the process of creating a new account by clicking on sign up again. Now on next page, you can just enter a different full name, your password, and your date of birth. And for the new email address, I want you to come over to tempmail.org. Tempmail is a website where you can find unlimited temporary mail for completely free. Your temporary email will be shown in this box. You can just press this icon to copy your email. Come over to Ads Watching website and paste your temporary email address in this box. Again, remember your server number because we will use it whenever we will log into this website again. So just tick this box and click on sign up and you will be logged into your brand new account. Now to create another account on this website, all you have to do is come over to Temp Mail again and get another mail from here. But before that, make sure you copy your previous mail from Temp Mail, which we used to create second account on our Ads Watching website. So write down your Temp Mail and its password and save that in some Word folder so you can easily find it whenever you need it. And to get another mail for free, all you have to do is click where it says change. And the temp mail will change this previous mail and will provide you with some new temporary email address. So now, you can use this new mail to create third account on this website. Just like this, you can easily create 10 to 20 accounts for completely free. Now, to make $700 in pure passive income, step number 3 is, I want you to go to the left side of your dashboard and under my account, click where it says Invites Earnings. We will be taken to this page where you can see that every time someone signs up using our link, we will earn $5 per referral, and at the same time, the referral will get $10 of sign-up bonus. And here you can see how your referral link will look like. You can just copy your referral link from here and start sharing it with your family and friends to make money with it. Now the name of this site is called cashbib.com. As you can see, today everyone can work online and earn money. Now, let me share with you the secret bonus trick that you can use in order to be able to get thousands of people online who will register through your referral link so that you can make $700 a day in complete passive income. So, for this step, let us go over to facebook.com and in the search box, search for Make Money Online and press enter. Now let us scroll down a little bit and select the groups option from here and then select public groups right here. This will help us to find various public groups which are open for anyone to join. So if you scroll down here, you can see all these groups that will be listed. And the good thing is that we don't need any permission to join the groups and we can easily join any one of these groups. For example, if I click on this group right here, I will be taken to this page where I can see a lot of posts with various offers to make money online. So all you have to do is to create a post just like this one here. As you can see, this person created a post few hours ago and they got a good amount of likes and comments on their post from people who are interested. So, if only 140 people out of thousands of people from this group sign up using your referral link, you will be making an easy $700 a day on cashbib.com. Now let me show you the best way to create a Facebook post for our referral link in this group. So let us click right here where it says, What's on your mind? So I am going to write, I earned $100 from this site by just watching ads. It is totally free. Just comment how below and I will send you the details. And now for the image, let us come back to cashbib.com. Click on the live payments option shown over here and it will show you some payment proofs of Cashbib website. Now, I want you to save any one of these proofs to your device. And because we mentioned $100 in our Facebook post, I would suggest you to save this image to your computer device. Then next, we will go back to Facebook and click right here to attach the image we just downloaded. So this is how the post will look like. You can repeat this process in several other Make Money Online Facebook groups, and trust me, after some time, you will start getting a lot of referrals and you can start to earn a lot of money. Maybe you can earn even more money than $700 a day. And in the starting, you can just try to get about 10 to 30 people to sign up every day, which means you will be making about $1,500 to $4,500 per month from the simple Facebook posts. And to withdraw your earnings from this website, all you have to do is come over to your dashboard and click where it says withdrawal. It will take you to this page where you can see that they have basically 5 options for you to withdraw your earnings: PayPal methods, Skrill method, Payeer method, Western Union method, and Google Play gift card method. And all of these 5 methods have a minimum withdrawal limit of $70 and maximum you can withdraw up to $100 in a day. And earning $70 is very easy if you consistently follow both the methods shown in this video. Now, if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from this website, then help me get over 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching.